who are with us today, and also our PTA officials who are the heart and soul of our Brigada Escuela. Thank you so much for your hard work. This is to inform everybody that our annual physical check-up for free is ongoing at the school clinic. You may go there and for registration, just scan the QR code right in the back. This is a courtesy of guests and partners in education. The Honorable Dr. Ann K. Colbert, our very supportive Lady Governor of the province of Zamboanga City. Our Vice Governor, Honorable Richard D. Oligario, the newly elected Congressman of the 1st District, Honorable Marlo Balcoro, 2nd District Congresswoman, Honorable Marley Cooper Hasim, our ever-supportive Municipal Mayor Obo, the PSDS principals of the 8 divisions, and of course, the host division, our Superintendent, Dr. Virgilio Ibatan Jr., CISO 5, and our ESDS, Dr. Colleen Remurecha. Good morning po sa lahat. I would like to acknowledge also our education partners, the internal and the external stakeholders, the government agencies, the Philippine Information Agency, the ZENRO, PNP. We also have private financial institutions like the City Savings, BDO, West Bank, Alano Lending Corporation, Alano and San Credit Corporation, China Bank, Tago Cooperative, we have NIMBA, BPI, First Valley Bank, we have Nifamco, we have Sibanco, Land Bank, Incor, Infinity, PNB, Labrador Timolag Katurog Irrigators Association, Buog National Performing Arts Company. So for the information of everybody, they were hailed champion during the dance competition in Ipon. Once again, let's give them a round of applause. One of the pride of Zamboanga Cebu Pride. Alright, with our spirits refreshed, let's get ready to begin.
Thank you very much, Delmar and Teacher Ramona. Maayong bulan sa tanan. Isang magandang araw at magandang buhay sa ating lahat. I cannot let this occasion pass without giving due recognition to the three champions, to the three golds that Zamboanga Bugay has produced during our national laro. Kung hindi sa 3 gold na yon, baka sa bottom.
10 years na.
Let me congratulate the trainers, our athletes, first and foremost. Table tennis. Nandito ba yung school heads ng winning school? Okay, you brought the banner of the region to the national palaro. And one more, Arnis. Is that Arnis? What other goal? Itong 3 goals. So what's the other one? Up for elementary. Okay. So that means, well, Zamboanga Bugay really is a place where champions reign. So challenge yan dun sa mga iba pang division, Mamaharani
has happened in Region 9. And we should collect many more stories so that
There is a office ng personal. Exchange. Hindi trabaho basta nakita. Sir Julie, naapa o. Hindi pa mausap ko. Kung grade 5 mo sa una, dito gyapon mo sa grade 5 na area.